In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fulfill orders on Shopify. First, open the Shopify website and head into your Shopify admin. From the main dashboard, look for the Orders section. This is where every purchase placed through your store appears. It's the control center for keeping track of who ordered what needs to be shipped, and what's already been handled. If you're prompted to select a plan before continuing, go ahead and choose the plan that fits your store. Shopify requires an active plan to process and fulfill orders, so completing this step ensures everything in your checkout and fulfillment flow works smoothly. Take a moment to confirm the plan details, then continue back to your orders. Once your plan is selected, return to the Orders page. You'll see a list of orders with useful details like order numbers, dates, and fulfillment status. Click on the specific order you want to work on. This opens the Order Details screen, which is designed to help you make sure everything is accurate before you ship. Here, carefully review what the customer purchased, including item names and quantities. Look over the shipping address to confirm it's complete and correctly formatted. It's worth taking a few extra seconds to validate the street, city, state or province, postal code, and country. Also, glance at any customer notes or internal notes that might affect how you package or send the order. If anything looks off, pause and correct it before moving forward. When everything looks right, click Fulfill Item. This brings up the fulfillment confirmation for the items in the order. Use this moment as a final check to make sure the right products and quantities are being fulfilled and that the address matches what you verified. Accuracy here helps prevent returns, delays, and extra costs. Once you're confident the details are correct, click Fulfill Item again to confirm. Shopify will mark those items as fulfilled and update the order's status accordingly. Depending on your store settings, your customer may receive an automatic notification letting them know their order is on its way, which helps set expectations and reduces support questions. After fulfillment, you can return to the Orders page and repeat the process for additional orders. Keeping a steady routine, reviewing the order list, opening each order, double-checking the address and items, and confirming fulfillment helps you stay organized and maintain a reliable, professional experience for your customers. That's it. You've fulfilled an order on Shopify with confidence and accuracy.